In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear and start over on Turbotax. If you found yourself at a point where you need to start fresh with your tax filing, maybe because of an error, or perhaps you just want a clean slate, don't worry. I'm going to guide you through this process step by step, ensuring it's easy and hassle-free. Let's begin by navigating to the Turbotax official website. This is where you'll initiate the process. Make sure you're on the main site so that everything is secure and official. Once you're there, look for the sign in option at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials, your username and password, and log into your account. It's important to use the correct login information to ensure you have access to your existing returns. Once you're on the main page of your Turbotax dashboard, the next step is to head over to your home page within the application. This is where you'll manage all your tax related activities. Now we're getting closer to clearing the existing data and starting over. Find the option labelled Tax Tools in the menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down list from which you'll select Tools. This section is where you'll find various functionalities that Turbotax offers to make your tax filing process smoother and adaptable to your needs. After selecting Tools, keep an eye out for the option that says Clear and Start Over. This is the crucial part of the process where you'll be able to reset your tax filing data. However, before you proceed, a little word of caution. Doing this will erase all the progress you've made so far. Be absolutely sure that you want to clear everything, as this action cannot be undone. Once you're certain, click on the Clear and Start Over option. Turbotax will prompt you with a confirmation message, asking if you really want to proceed with this action. Review this message carefully to avoid any surprises later. If you're confident and ready, just click on the Yes button to confirm your choice. And that's essentially the entire process. You've successfully cleared your Turbotax data and are now set to start over with a fresh slate. This can be particularly helpful if you feel like you've made mistakes or want to approach your tax filing from a different angle. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check your entries and decisions. If at any point you feel unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to Turbotax support. They're always there to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made starting over on Turbotax easier for you.